You searched how to buy shares of Provexis Plc, a UK nutraceutical and functional foods company listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker PXS.L. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will verify your account with an ID document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PXS.L to locate the listing. Select the result that matches Provexis Plc on the LSE PLC. On the stock page, check the basic company information in the price chart to confirm this is the correct Provexis Plc listing. Make sure the ticker shows PXS.L and the market is LSE PLC. To place an order, click Invest. Choose the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order completes. After the trade, the position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to review the platform and its features.